My name is Samir Perez.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Cartagena.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
He has children.
I have two children.
What do you live with?
I live in Cartagena with my wife and my two children.
What are you studying?
I'm studying industrial engineering.
What are your hobbies?
I like music, uh, see movies, play video games, and read.
Where do you work?
I work in a custom agency.
Okay. Can you tell me about yourself? What are your strengths?
I like to support my work groups. I think that a collaborator who feels supported performs more in the work.
What are your weaknesses?
I can be a little impatient.
Where is your greatest achievement?
Lead the operational area and implementing procedures in order to minimize the cost generated in the area.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in my own business, design and manufacturing parts for the industrial sector.
Why do you want to quit your job?
I feel that I can no longer develop my potential in my current position.
Why do you want to work for us?
I think it's an excellent opportunity to apply my knowledge in new areas.
Which are your expectations of salary?
My salary expectations are about $8,000 a month plus medical insurance.
Okay, Samir. Thank you.
Thank you.